Good evening. Melting glaciers, rising sea levels, higher temperatures. If you think someone's trying to tell us something, someone just did. The scientists on a United Nations climate panel are out with a new warning about climate change, and they're telling us what they think needs to be done before, as they see it, it's too late. For one thing, they're calling for major changes in the energy we use to heat and cool our homes and power our cars. Here's Chip Reed.
Evidence that the Earth is warming is unequivocal, and emissions of greenhouse gases from cars, power plants, and factories are primarily to blame. That's according to the UN's Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change. In the strongest language it's ever used, the panel concluded that continued emissions will increase the likelihood of severe, pervasive, and irreversible impacts. Climate scientist Michael Oppenheimer says the effects are already being felt around the world.
The productivity of crops is slowing down due to climate change. There are effects on human health. That is, more people are dying due to heat waves due to climate change.
Oppenheimer is a principal author of the report.
We have a small window of opportunity the next couple of decades where we can slow this thing down and start to reverse the trend.
Accomplishing that would require a massive global shift from fossil fuels like coal and oil to renewable sources of energy like solar and wind, and could even require expensive futuristic technologies to remove carbon dioxide and other gases from the atmosphere. But legislation before Congress has been blocked, primarily by members from fossil fuel-producing states, and developing countries like China have shown little interest in reducing their emissions. Next month at a UN conference in Lima, Peru, delegates plan to draft an agreement on reducing emissions, and Scott, at a global conference in Paris late next year, they hope to adopt it.
Chip, thanks very much.